Kardom adaba birtalong pen niliklar EDBP non birtang ton pen arjuitha.
Laso pipining asingkat KN Pon ATP Tourism and Sustainable Transformation Palam Tepen Kachetong Arada Tumpen Chinki Chethanamai Padolo. Laso Mayalong Aluhi Aman Pen Kachetong Dun KAC Speaker Raju Tiso Pen KAC Tourism Department Pen Kipaklang Pon website Tame Ingpu Ponlo. Mayalong DR RK Suman De Director General and Regional Director NE Ministry of Tourism Gulf of India Lapen Sri V.S. Kumar, Assistant Director, India Tourism North East Regional Office, Guwahati Atum Tamechetong, Dubai ke Rimpon Athepi, Alam Thepen, Kachetong Arada Tumpen, Chinki Chithanamai Pidolo.
हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जगधितरंगा तव शुभ नामे
Council, respected Dr. R.K. Suman, Deputy Director General, Regional Director of Northeast, Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. In our midst we have V.S. Kumar, Assistant Director, Indian Tourism National Regional Office, Guwahati, and also we have a tour operator from Assam, and also distinguished present here, and also the participants of the All Assam Quiz Competition, and we have Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Board Chairman Dharam Singh Kro. So today we know that world tourism is observed everywhere in the world. So in Karbi Anglong, we have got a very privilege from the government of Assam and also from the government of India. So in this occasion, like today in the morning, we have organized a half marathon, that is competition from a different region of India. So in the morning it was a very good session, and yesterday we have in evening gala that introduction with the sports lovers, and it was very beautiful. When we talk about the Karbi Anglong, as you know that Karbi Anglong is a heartbeat of Assam, and the landscape of Karbi Anglong, we are very proud and we are very blessed in nature. In order to like promotion for tourism, so Director General R.K. Suman, in the morning we have a brief discussion with the Honorable Chief Executive members of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So in future, in your helping hand, surely we can make a tourism destination in India as well. So
My Jude Pen, the Suangkang Exam School, College Kicharia Resoja to Apan, KN Ponatepi Atenkar, Juketaka Patia Jamek Tami Pido Ponsi, Ke Hayatumapan Long Itami Pipajur Ponsi, Jamek Missen Pen Pachun Pondo. Pinpur me KAC Tourism Department along Kidam Tang Penang Arapor Pen, EM Retail Singhi Kiklem Kidam, Kachipaduk Pen, Non Apor Karbi Anglong Tami Tourism Ahin, Sumindara Dangalong, Nong Nam Chitang Dun Klonglo. La Pen, Kivangji, Lang Ardi Tami, La Ansusi Karbi Anglong upon Tourism Ahin Kang Turpon Bomchi upon, Siding Jiputa Ningje.
It's a celebration of Akini Kodam Pensi, Keche, as a world tourism day and in Litum. Kolkata long isi event management group to penching ki jathan pe namase alangi tum see to organize the half marathon. This half marathon along total 170 members all Assam pentado la pen Delhi pentado Bihar pentado se menang team pen om peratum si participation to menang to kasi toda baji pora team pen se ada half marathon ke kat halada langku lapen halada koila janan kasi to menang atun man ke hada tiana long situ kasi hala da anglong tur Karbi Anglong anglong tur kumsi alang kumsi la den da pen kichu gujun alang kumsi claim kono kasi Penang World Tourism they are theme bang ke sustainable tourism kasi la ajano tourism lo claim lo de kichara kichu do nana tu kasi dunia da lang kualo self help group pen dang loks ta melo alang li tum sita me hala kitun ke dang la pen dak local food aku tak sita melo menang paklang nulong lo la pen dak la chot kali dak local lun kilun ke gatum sita me alang li tum sala dunia ni kan sam me claim kasi ini si world tourism ya theme pini dak nang chetong dun la bang kini tum government of Assam la MD ko pani pora alang li sita me nang chetong dun kasi alang li pam ni tum kuchuning ni dun bang ke dah alang li tum ni tum homestay nang tum swai dia menang tum turis tum bang ke town long alo nang tum ke rong alo se ke tum se landscape da ke me ting kan mo tela skala rong ke do tum hani tum homestay provide ko dia pan ni tum body pun la penili tum non Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council chief executive member tuliram rong alang li nang pin khat den tank pet alang li nang bori do na pet nilitum swai valley la pen halapu Meghalaya border ana ta nilitum homestay kilong ji si tamelo menang isi besen atau wara sonsi thega Karbi Anglong ara ta tum si tourism anat beni ani ke hang dulu pulote si menang anta claim kon pulos along si tamelo da trekking pe dang lok si tamelo nilip tour operator no movie ki mi tum si tamelo alang ki claim ke dam se alang itu pan itu department no pen ke support ji pan itu kai ke da chingwa ching sai pon se
News report KATV News. Kopli constituency ke parlo Khironia long phong troksi apong BJP mass joining paman pontanglo KACCM Dr. Tuliram long hang ke mangki Karbi Anglong adang PR lo pen Congress ASDC APHL siaso ke do arphan Karbi Anglong along amen kapachi bangun e pinchi aphan mati BJP song pen akapre ka song ke awidet nangji pen batai Kopli MSC constituency arlo BJP mass joining pado Keramtang GT di pai ingko troksi arni Khironi mekwe hidi pu arong along mass joining padupon. Bang somaya long pen son plialam CM pen chichak tikang. Kichengsi towar ringwell Kecharlia hem lapen open stage ki bipon jiaphan CM rong hangasang ho pen lamchak chichak tikang.
Pina la piket las do pen lang
Kopli konsensi long non pen betai chok lo lason joining program ini tak nekbi dia long teron rong pen rong tero la pen diari la pen ke Gurkha tu Nepali tu pangrum pet pen dak bang Bharut thokla bang thok sikera pho abang kubang piatun APSLC Congress la pen pen chi open team Karbi Anglong mate BJP party long chu pasi ladak open ini konsensi do la ada kami ini dak bitung konsensi long ye PSLC kan Congress COC BJP bagi lo untuk ada ka phai komo se opposition se konflik asa prang nan angjo ni pik kasi long si beta truck proxy na ke long tin na ke join pini asam long dame muni tum chini sinon BTR election dame pada kami Congress ke zero lo nasi Heglong lo da Karbi Anglong kami Congress lo peni PSLC tumke rat sikare jeklo hera tumphan apong kacobai asayang ding sialang tumke ke thanlok tasu chini si kuni tum so party pen COC da BJP party long match powerful
Bang somaya long Congress ASDC lapen APHL si asong atum abui ing raidensi BJP abuyalong pangchodu News report KATV News.
Konjuni TLP party band konjuni BP Dr. Tuliram lo hanging dapat Dr. Tuliram lo hanging dapat Koran nomor di dapat Nurendra Modi जिंदाबाद, डॉक्टर हिमंता बिश्व शर्मा जिंदाबाद, डॉक्टर हिमंता बिश्व शर्मा जिंदाबाद, टीम कार्बी आंगलंग जिंदाबाद, टीम कार्बी आंगलंग जिंदाबाद, डॉक्टर तुलसीराम ब्रह्मा जिंदाबाद, डॉक्टर तुलसीराम ब्रह्मा जिंदाबाद.
Pinya birta ke lan sikang ton lo dumit hakmi kardom.